What's up, guys? It's 4/19/2024. Had a bearish channel, deep pullback around 11 o'clock, and then we sold off to a new low of the day. Been trending lower for about 3-4 days now. Kind of looks like a wedge bottom almost. Double bottom, push 1, push 2, push 3. So I've been doing these breakdowns from saying I'm going to do the first 6 bars a day, then I'm going to talk about leg 2s, and then I'm going to talk about the market cycle. In reality, I was thinking about this weekend. It's Sunday. It's Sunday right now, but I put Friday's date here so the dates don't get messed up. I was thinking all weekend that I think I'm gonna try and just do a bar by bar analysis for 10 minutes, and then because I keep saying I'm gonna talk about the market cycle, and I naturally start talking about it anyways. We naturally talk about the leg 2s and leg 3s and stuff. So I'm just gonna straight up go from bar 1 to bar 81. And yeah, I'm going to be struggling a little bit, bear with me, but I think this is best for everyone, honestly. Identifying where buyers and sellers are is the most important thing. And then inadvertently, we'll also talk about the market cycle, and we'll also cover like 1, leg 2s. So that's what I'll be doing with these. I'm going to repeat that a few times just so people get the message, because I know not everyone watches these every time they drop. So hope you guys are cool with that, and let's do it. Bar 1, it's a range bar, bare body. We're trading at the lows of yesterday. Range from yesterday continued in the morning. Bar 2 looks like follow through. Still a range bar because it has more wick. It has more of a tail than a body. So that is classified as a range bar. Bar 3 is a bullish trend bar, breaking out of bar 1's high, breaking out above the EMA. Bar 4, it looks like it's reversing bar 1, the failed breakout by the bulls, and it becomes a range bar. Bar 5, another doji closing above the EMA, closing on the EMA. So now we have a big up, big down. Yesterday, the last 2 hours of the day were range bound, and we see that within the morning. Bar 6, small body, big tail. Bar 7, bar 8, more sellers below the EMA. The market's starting to sell. Lots of selling pressure above the EMA. The EMA is acting as resistance and starting to curl down. Bar 9, looks like the market is trying to break out. Bar 10, the market does break out. 2 trend bars breaking out below yesterday's low and the morning low. Bar 10 looks like bearish bulls tried to reverse, could be profit taking. It comes up and bears ultimately reverse the bar down. That's why we see a big tail here. Bar 12, bulls go for a reversal again. So there is a lot of bullish pressure here. We can see like this is the spike and then two-sided trading. This wick shows us two-sided trading, so a spike in channel, and then the market starts to go a little bit range bound here. Bar 12 is a reversal bar. It's more of a trend bar because the body's bigger. So purely from body to tail size, this is a trend bar, and that's how I'm going to classify everything. That's the only 2 bars we have is trend or range. Bar 13, failed reversal up by the bulls, closing on its low, bare body, selling off the bar 14. This could be a second leg down, creating support here. Bar 15 is a strong reversal bar. Bar 15 doesn't trade below bar 14, but it would be nice if it traded below bar 14 and then reverse higher. That gives it an outside bar appearance. However, this is a 2-bar reversal. Bar 16 looks like the bulls rallied above the EMA and sold off. Bar 17 is another rally and closing is a range bar. I say it like that because that looks like 3 pushes up. 3 pushes up. That's 4, but you guys get what I'm saying. Is a wedge top into the EMA. We are trading right around yesterday's low. With resistance broken, support broke, turned into resistance. So we broke support and it turned into resistance. Bar 18, sell the EMA. Bar 19 is follow through. Bar 20 is a pullback into the EMA, giving a lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high. We are in a bear regime because we're trading below the higher time frame EMA. I was just looking at the time. I was like, oh man, this is definitely challenging. Bar 21, sell off below the EMA. Bar 22 is follow through. Bar 23 is follow through. So we have a reversal below the EMA, a reversal with trend. So the bulls try and break out. It fails, and bears get every reversal. When it fails, it becomes a pullback. So this is a pullback for the bears, and they go for new lows. Bar 23, Continuation at lows. This was the support. Bar 24 looks like bulls are trying to buy and create a double bottom. Bar 25 is almost an outside bar. It trades higher and then sells off lower. Sells off at the same price as bar 24's low. Bar 26, we are going range bound here. Bar 26 sells off and reverses up, so it's the opposite of 25. Bar 27 is bad follow through for the bulls again. Excuse me. Got allergies. Bar 28, there's still more selling pressure above the EMA, on the EMA, and the EMA sloping lower. The slope is getting like that more. 29 is a good bar. The short, I think, below the EMA. Bar 30 is follow through. Bar 31 rallies above. However, bears get the reversal and it closes. It's still a range bar. Bar 32 is also a range bar, but it's follow through, making new lows. Bar 33, strong bear trend bar. Late, could be late in the trend. We could see like 1, pull back like 2, pull back like 3, or it could be a fresh breakout here because we went range bound, now we're breaking out. Bar 34 is follow through for bar 33. Bears are still shorting new lows. Bar 35 is follow through for bar 34. Bears are shorting lows, however, it's becoming more rangy. Bar 36 looks like a good bar to get short. However, that's 3 pushes down because it's 3 pushes down because the market rallied 3 times right here. So market rallied, sold off, rally, sold off, rally, sold off. So 3 pushes down. Market finds support with bar 35. Bulls are trying to reverse into the EMA. There's a lot of buying pressure here, so trap bulls might want price to get back. Bar 38, another reversal down, but does it make a new low? Bar 39. I'm going to try and do this every day. I'm starting to realize this is hard. Hats off to Brad for doing this for an hour every single day. 39. This is an outside bar. It reverses up after 3 pushes. Bar 40, follow through, first push up. This is still one big leg. Bar 41, big rally, sells off, but closes with the bull body. These two are range bars. Bar 42 is a breakout above the EMA, strong close, but it doesn't close above the high of 41. Right? Yeah. 43. Bulls are still trying to make a new high. They're trying to close above here. 44, another trend bar with a bullish close. 45 is the first opposite bar after strong rally. However, it does not make a new low. Bar 46 does make a new low and reverses up. Bar 47, this is an outside bar. We're trading at kind of range highs. Bar 47, sell off. Bar 48, sells off. Bear shy and break below the EMA. Bar 49, bulls go for reversal. Bar 50, bears go for the reversal and try and give a bear flag appearance. Lower highs are being made. Bar 50, small bull body. Bar 52 is a bullish breakout. Bar 53 is another bullish breakout right below yesterday's low. So this could be leg 1, pull back leg 2. This could become a buy vacuum testing resistance, and it reverses down with bar 54. Strong outside bar at resistance. I think that's a pretty nice short for a few legs lower. Actually really nice. 55. 55, what am I saying? 55 is a strong trend bar. Breaking below the EMA. 56 is the first pullback, testing the EMA, and it sells off again. Another test for bar 57 is an inside bar rally. 58 is a pullback, it sells off, and bulls rally higher. 59, bulls are trying to get the pullback into the EMA. Bar 60, it fails and becomes a bear flag with a breakout. Leg 1, pullback leg 2, pullback leg 3. Breakout, bar 60, bad follow through, first pullback. So this is a really small leg, first pullback. Bar 62, is another breakout, and bar 63 is a new low. And as soon as we make another new low, bulls buy it, and the market starts to go sideways. Bar 64, failed breakout by the bears, reverses higher, and this becomes a TTR. The market starts to congest. We pull up into the EMA. Bar 70. Bar 69 pulls into the EMA. Bar 70 is a bear bar reversing below. 72 touches the EMA and sells off. This becomes a tight TTR. It's a limit order market. So where are we in the market cycle? We had a breakout channel lower, then we went range, had another breakout, then we go range bound. Looks like we're going more sideways now. The bearish channel is getting more broad. So see, I guess like, wow. So look at that. This day might have been like the spike. deep pullback that we've been channeling for quite some time now. And yeah, we're actually getting, this is getting kind of steep. It'll be interesting to see if the bulls go for an EMA touch, or we keep selling, or we go sideways. They almost met the measured move of the breakout, but it did fail. So they broke up below yesterday. Though I got hiccups now. They broke out. They broke out below yesterday's low. Go for the measured move and failed. Where are we on the higher time frame? Man, I got hiccups. I don't know where that came from. It just happened. Like literally right now. From all that talking, some market went sideways, and then we're having a bearish breakout. Market cycle is resetting with this bearish breakout. We have a spike and then channel. The spike is a surge in price. When this bar would be the spike, because this is already a deep pullback. So there's two-sided trading within the channel. And here's that displayed on the 45-minute chart right here. Well, not necessarily. Hold on. Let me zoom out a little bit. That's a little bit better. So where are we? This is the 4th. And then where's the 4th? I'm just drawing a quick stupid line. Okay. So now this is what we're looking at, this price action here. So we're looking to the right of the line. Breakout, pullback, breakout, spike, pullback, creates a channel, and we've just been channeling lower now. So we're gonna see what happens here. This looks like kind of accelerated selling. Bulls do have a higher low. This is a strong rally. Maybe it's stronger for second leg, double top, sell, double bottom, then we go sideways. Or maybe we go for, maybe this is a pullback and we make a new low, and then bears start to take profits and we go sideways. Be interesting to see what happens. Let me know what you guys think of this bar by bar analysis. I definitely, from my perspective, it makes sense to start to identify bars like this. Eventually, I want to get more fluid and really start talking about where sellers and buyers are. So it just makes more sense for the progression as a trader to start talking about each bar, because each bar is tradable. You can scalp each bar, and that's kind of one day I want to do that. So hope you guys had a good weekend. I was studying all weekend, and I've been drinking so much coffee. I made a fresh cup of coffee right now. I'll talk to you guys later. I'm taking it easy this month. I have my live account, and I'm just gonna start trading. I got a nice work schedule next month. I'll be working only Fridays and Saturdays, so I'll only miss one day of the week instead of right now. There's so much turbulence in my schedule. It kind of sucks to trade, so I'm not getting into a good flow because I work Monday, trade Tuesday, work Wednesday, trade Thursday, Friday. Then it'll be trade 4 days, work Friday, which is way nicer. So yeah, I hope you guys are doing good. I appreciate all the comments. Keep dropping them. Tell me what you guys think of this bar by bar analysis. Hope you guys had a good, safe weekend. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.